Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to install Loom desktop app. First open your any browser, then search on Loom desktop app, then click on this link, download the Loom desktop app. Then you find the download button, click on download, start download. If you are a Mac user, then you can download for Mac app. I am in Windows user, that's why I am downloading Windows app. My download is running. After completing download, I am opening my download folder, then double click on setup file. Let's need to sign in, or if you are not signed in yet, then click on sign up and create a new account. I am already create an account, that's why I am going to sign in. Edge is my default browser, that's why Loom automatically open my ads. You request authentication for a new device, click on yes, this is me. Open Loom, then Loom will ask your microphone, camera or other access. Now click on here, let's desktop apps access your camera. Click on. After enable, all feature is done. Click on continue. Click on how started recording. It is a Loom tutorial for a new user. Click on next, and click on start recording. Now you can record your screen or any other using Loom desktop app. Thank you.